Good morning, friends. I am Professor E. Sharma, a postgraduate and PhD in Ayurveda from the reputed National Institute of Ayurveda, Jaipur, and did my clinical trials upon diabetes mellitus. The topic of the day is diabetes mellitus, its concept in Ayurveda, and its implications upon the immunity, which is very relevant in these testing times of COVID-19. Ayurveda says prameho anushanginam, that is, the diabetes mellitus type 2 does not come to go away. It would be staying with you forever, and that is where we have to be very careful with it by following very strict diet and lifestyle regimen so that it does not overpower and it does not overwhelm our immunity, because it strikes upon our immunity and makes us very susceptible for various medical conditions and infections. Where does it come from? Ayurveda mentions it comes from a deranged tissue metabolism weakness, that is, your Medo Dhatu Agni is lowered. It is a dysfunction of your metabolism at the tissue level, and especially the metabolism relating to your fat and the sugar processing. That is what Ayurveda calls as Medo Agni. How do we tackle it? We treat diabetes mellitus or prameha through 4 parameters. We have got 4 tools to tackle it. We suggest some diet modifications, some lifestyle modifications, some herbs, and if need be, some Panchkarma detoxification. Panchkarma detoxification is a very powerful tool, but luckily this is not required by all. But if you are refractive, if you are nowhere responding to your sugar level controls, then you have to resort to Panchkarma treatments also. We go for a detailed clinical examination. We examine your pulse, your body type, what we call Prakriti. We examine your Koshtha, your Agni, and your Tridosha status. And then we reach upon a final conclusion. What could your real status be with the diabetes mellitus? What is the history? What is your family history? What are your current symptoms? That's how we plan. We chalk out a treatment plan for you, and which can go on for a fairly long time. To begin with, this can be a bit more intensive, but once you respond well to it, once you settle with it, then the periodic checkups can be there, or periodic consultations can be there, which can be like once in 4 months or once in 6 months also. And through pure Ayurveda treatments, we have observed many patients coming off their Western medicine and settling with practically no medicine at all, no Ayurveda medicine, no Western medicine, and with a wonderful diet and lifestyle control, they are able to manage their blood sugar level fairly enough, and they are off their medicine. So let's hope to interact more and more, and I hope I can extend a help to you, some Ayurveda regimen to you, where you can control your diabetes mellitus fairly enough.